Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Asana automation add-on, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Asana automation add-on, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Asana website. Log in to your Asana account. Once logged in, locate the project that contains the automation add-on you wish to remove. Click on the project to open it. Next, find the automation settings within the project. This is typically accessed through the project's toolbar, often represented by a lightning bolt icon. Click on the automation settings to view the current automations in place. Identify the specific automation add-on you want to uninstall. Hover over that automation to reveal additional options. Look for an option that says Remove or Delete. Click on that option to initiate the removal process. A confirmation prompt may appear to ensure that you want to proceed with the uninstallation. Confirm your decision to remove the automation. After successful removal, you will see a notification confirming that the automation has been uninstalled. To ensure the changes have taken effect, review your automations list again. If needed, exit the project and return to your dashboard to verify that the automation is no longer active. Your Asana automation add-on has now been successfully uninstalled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.